Today we will talk to you how to maintain your stainless steel sink. Always beautiful, clean and impeccable. This naturally applies not only to stainless steel sinks but to all stainless steel products such as cooktops or even ovens, hoods and refrigerators. Steel, in my opinion, is the best material for these types of products because it is a material that has no porosity, and therefore it does not absorb any substances from what you place on it when you use it, when you cook. And so from a hygienic point of view, it is the best choice. Not for nothing, professional designs do not have a coating. Are made by law, all in stainless steel. The first important thing for you who have just bought your new home is to go and find your beautiful new sink in stainless steel, and be careful with water, because the water found in new pipes of new construction or stagnant water for a long time in the pipes has a high percentage of ferrous substances, which, when coming into contact with your sink, can scratch it or even cause the onset of rust. For the maintenance of your stainless steel, it is advisable to always use liquid and creamy products and products that do not contain chlorine, bleach, or acids. If specific products for steel are unavailable, neutral soap, like the one you use to wash your hands, is also fine. One of the most suitable products is precisely a creamy product, like this one. The tool you use to clean your sink must also be appropriate, meaning it should be sponges or cloths that are soft and non-abrasive. And then it is very important to consider everything you place under the cabinet of your sink in the under-sink area. Everything you store underneath any type of product, whether it's items like bleach, acids, detergents, and various things, must be extremely well sealed, because the fumes produced by these products, when left open, can damage your sink and even cause rust issues. And one thing, it is essential to never leave rusty iron objects on your sink, as they can certainly cause damage. Finally, the last piece of advice I can give you is that every time you use your sink, you should clean it, rinse it, and dry it. So, avoid water stagnation. This is very important to keep it always looking beautiful and shiny. So, we'll end here for today. I send you my best regards, and remember to subscribe to the channel and possibly send me some comments as well. Thank you. Best regards to everyone.